Hi, my name is Madeline Zeef. I'm an urban beekeeper with Alveole, and we are here at Brookfield Place to check in on the beehives. Today we're getting them ready for their harvest. Beautiful nectar and honey frame. What you can do, taste the honey that was made right here. So good, super light. And there's the queen. Here she is, she's a red dot on her. Just making sure that she has enough space. The main part of beekeeping is manipulating the space so that the queen doesn't run out and the workers have plenty to do and plenty to forage. Honey on one side, babies on the other. The beehives were booming. Next time we'll be here to grab some honey. Thank you for joining us at Brookfield Place, and we'll be back soon.